Hi, amazing people. Today I'll be talking about one of the most powerful immigration pathways that's flying under the radar, the self-sponsorship visa. It's real, and yes, it works if you follow the steps I'm about to share. Now, actually, there's not a specific visa route called self-sponsorship visa. However, this visa allows skilled workers to sponsor themselves by establishing a UK company and obtaining a sponsor license, which then allows them to work for their own company, essentially creating a job for themselves. So, let me walk you through the full evidence-based 5 step-by-step guide to applying for the UK self-sponsorship visa route. So, step one. Step one starts with the business idea. This isn't just any visa. You're essentially immigrating as a business owner. So the very first thing you need is a business idea that is viable, sustainable, and scalable within the UK market. It could be food business, tech startup, it could be business service, or health consultancy, just name it. The UK is very friendly to entrepreneurs, especially in growth sectors like health tech, renewable energy, and digital services. So if you already have a business idea, then follow me to step two. Step two, register your business on Company House. Registering a business is quite straightforward and simple. However, if you need help with this step, I already made a full tutorial on how to register a business in the UK. So you can check that out in one of my videos. Okay, step three. Step three is opening a business bank account. Once your business is registered, open a UK business bank account. Banks like Monzo and Sterling Banks offer fast online business account setups. Just provide your company registration number and ID. However, it's better to choose a bank that integrates with accounting software, which will save you time during tax season. Right, so step number four. Step number four, apply for a sponsor license. Here's the most technical part, but also the most important. Applying for a sponsor license through the UK Home Office. This step allows your company to sponsor you or another skilled worker for a skilled worker visa. To apply, you will need, first, an authorizing officer. This must be a UK resident, either a British citizen or a settled status holder. Then you will need proof that you comply with the UK VI requirements, such as a good HR and recruitment system, or an accountant that will just do the work for you. They will usually require minimum of 4 mandatory documents, which include the business bank statement, employer's liability insurance, which is an insurance you have to take out to cover your business in case of any incident or accident. You can usually get them via Google search, and they are not that expensive. And then you will need a VAT registration certificate if is applicable, and proof of PAYE registration, HMRC employer and account office reference numbers, which will already be issued after you registered your business. And then you will need proof of business premises, either lease or ownership documents, latest audited or unaudited financial account, regulatory body certification if your business requires it. So basically, it's not really much, but they need a minimum of 4 of these. And then to apply for a sponsor license, you need to pay a fee. If your company is trending as a small business or charity where you have less than 50 employees and an annual turnover of under £10.2 million, the fee is usually £536. Then for medium or large business, the fee is usually £1,476. Also, there's an option for priority application if you want your application to be decided soon. This fee is a total of £1,074, which is together with the standard application. Now, step number 5. Step number 5 is where you now actually apply for the skilled worker visa. Once your sponsor license is approved, you're officially a UK registered sponsor. Now you can assign a certificate of sponsorship to yourself and apply for a skilled worker visa. Requirements for this include certificate of sponsorship from your company, English language proficiency, proof of personal savings, which may not be much, a job role and a salary that meets the UK VI standards. According to gov.uk, processing of this takes about 8 weeks. And for the skilled worker visa, you may pay from £719 to £1,500 depending on your visa. And that's it. Your roadmap to sponsoring yourself as a business owner. It's legal, it's powerful, and it's that simple if you know what you're doing. So hit that plus button and follow for more life-changing information. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one.